You have always claimed to be an Ikwerre man.
Yes.
And that you are not an Igbo man.
Yes.
An Ikwerre man.
Yes.
Like you.
Yes.
A well-recognized one. Former Senate President pro tempore.
Yes.
Distinguished Senator John Nasutambata.
Yes.
Has just been elected as the president of Ohanese Indigo.
Yes.
A pan-Igbo social cultural organization.
Yes.
Has that made you to be an Igbo man? Or every Ikwerre man?
No, don't go there, no. I'm a typical unrepentant man, Ikwerre man. I'm not an Igbo. Listen, get it clear. I have no problem with Igbo people, and I have not a problem with them. I'm associated with Igbo people. The main fact, we're all in southeastern Nigeria. The main fact we're in northern Nigeria doesn't make you an Hausa man. Doesn't make you a Fulani man. Doesn't make you a Kanuri person. Doesn't make you not a thief person. The main fact you share some similarities. The languages are close. Doesn't make you that you are sort of. I mean, what is all this thing? Senator Nasutambata has a right to associate with whoever I want to associate. I, as Nyesom Wike, an unrepentable Ikwerre man, an unrepentable Igbo man, I'm not an Igbo man.
Okay, but are you happy that an Ikwerre man
want to say
is Ohanese president?
Please, I'm not a member of Ohanese. So what I'm not a member, how can you tell me? I don't know what they're doing there.
He's a kinsman.
But by default, now your kinsman is the chairman.
What benefit will I derive? Something I'm not a member of. You know what is there. You know why you are there. You know the benefit that would accrue to you. So if it's going to be good, okay. But as about Ikwerre, they have spoken. And about Ikwerre have said, count us out. And where about Ikwerre is where I am. I will never, for anything, no matter the disadvantage. Some of my fellow colleagues come to tell me, don't talk on this, I said, talk on what? You know, my opposition. I said, So, because of politics, I will deny my identity. Because I'm from minority, I will not do that one. I will never deny my identity simply because I want to be recognized, to be majority. I will not do it.
Are you happy for him?
If he's happy, why would I say I'm not happy for him? I mean, why would I say it? If that will suit you, okay. But for me, as the honorable man, as a very person, I am where I am, and I will not be. Igbos we are very close. We do things together. We have similarities in so many things. But that does not mean I should go and change my identity now. Simply because it's I should be. Simply because I'm a politician. Oh, somebody told me yesterday, you know, if they want to tell this guy, I said, okay, get out from here. Get out. I want the president. So what? That's why I should go and answer somebody's mother's name.
All right, Honorable Minister.
Okay, my people, we all have heard what Minister Nyesom Wike from Ikwerre said. Well, Nyesom Wike is saying that he is not Igbo. He's just afraid of the Nigeria system. He's just afraid of identifying as an Igbo person. Me, I'm from Okwane, I'm Igbo. You understand? So, Nyesom Wike is just afraid. You understand? He always acts like a tough man, but not like the man they fear. You know, the experience within the entire Igbo race, the experience, just like Ikwerre people are saying that they are not Igbo, they are just afraid of the Nigerian system. They know that they are Igbo people. Forget all this thing that you see so many of them saying, yeah, we are not Igbo. They are just doing it out of fear. So Nyesom Wike is using all those Ikwerre people that are denying that they are not Igbos for politics. He's using them for politics. They take the whole ground as we are Ikwerre people. This is our tribe. I'm the minister of FCT Abuja. I am from Ikwerre tribe. One thing Nyesom Wike don't understand is that all those Yoruba and Hausa politicians, just like him, many of his friends, they know that he is an Igbo man. Now that thing this man don't understand. They know he is Igbo. As you just talk about this, they go just do like this. No mind now, I'm Igbo person. No mind now, me just the lie. No mind now. Now so they go do am. He said that Ikwerre people and the Igbos are in the southeast. And that does not mean that Ikwerre people are Igbos. Same way there are other tribes in the north. That does not mean that those tribes are Hausa people. Any northern tribe that is speaking Hausa as their official language in that community is an Hausa community. That tribe is Hausa people, even if they have their own identity, even if they have their own name that they are known for. Same way the language of Ikwerre is Igbo language. As far as they speak Igbo, they are Igbo people. Nyesom Wike. Obako Ikwerre said that they are not Igbo people. And you stood by Obako Ikwerre. You stood by what they said. What if Obako Ikwerre said that they are Igbo people? What you can do? Because according to the video, Nyesom Wike said that wherever Obako Ikwerre organization stand, that place is the same place that he stands. So if Obako Ikwerre come talk say there be Igbo people, Nyesom Wike, wetin you go come do? You are not deceiving yourself. Stop deceiving yourself, Nyesom Wike. All the time you are not Igbo, you are not Igbo, you are not Igbo, and you are Igbo. Nyesom Wike is denying his Igbo identity because he have the ambition of becoming the president of Nigeria. Of course, we know he can never be the president of Nigeria. Yes, if you understand Nigeria politics, you will know that Nyesom Wike no go smell that presidential seat because he's an Igbo man. He's just deceiving himself. You want to become the president of the country. Yoruba people know you are Igbo. Hausa people know you are Igbo. Other tribes, non-Igbo speaking tribes in the country knows that you are Igbo. If P2B is a Fulani man and Tinubu is a Yoruba man that he is today, do you think that Tinubu will be the president of Nigeria? He not go smell that seat. Now because of say the three presidential candidates, the dusting wey they give Atiku face not show, then knack Atiku come out. So the two major people they know is P2B and Tinubu. But they don't want to give P2B the winner. All because he is an Igbo man. The entire country don't say he win Tinubu throw away, knack Tinubu as they tell a win person, knack and throw away. But since they saw that Atiku is nowhere to be found based on votes, they carry that win, give Tinubu. Why? Because P2B is an Igbo man. If to say P2B na Fulani, Tinubu no go even be the president of Nigeria today. P2B suppose don't be the president if he's a Fulani man. So wetin they give Nyesom Wike that mind say he go be the president of Nigeria? No only Ikwerre people won't vote for you. Say you won't go for presidency now. Now the entire Igbo race go vote for you. But now you are denying that you are not an Igbo man. Which people you want me to vote for you? You want me Fulani people vote for you as Igbo man? You want to make Yoruba vote for you as Igbo man? They will never vote for you because they know that you are Igbo. You are an Igbo man. So if you like, deny from now till tomorrow, you will never become the president of Nigeria. So you, Nyesom Wike, that is doing you are not Igbo, you are not Igbo. If you and federal government get issue, they go lock you up. They will just pick you up like this, lock you up. And nothing will happen, nothing. Not if you say you do get power, say nobody will feed you anything. If you just enter their trap, they will lock you up. Because you are an Igbo man. So, Nyesom Wike now, if the day when they go pick you up now still the Igbo race where you they deny, go they preach for your release, may they release you. Now the entire Igbo race will talk say, I bet make una release them. Even as you don't deny us, we will still be preaching, release Nyesom Wike for us. Ndi Igbo maleshi one day, I am Ndi Igbo, I am Alemobi one day, I am Obi one day. That's why you keep saying that you are not Igbo. We keep telling you that you are Igbo because you are our brother. Stop the denial. Stop it. It will never take you anywhere. Senator John Azuta Mbata knows what he's doing. He knows that he's Igbo. And that's why he became the president of Ohanese Igbo. Azuta Mbata Bodogu, outside the job of Kobo. He knows who he is. He's an Igbo man. He's an Ikwerre man. As you be Ikwerre now, so I take your one. I'm Igbo. Many Ikwerre people, so many of them identify as Igbos. As you are an unrepentant Ikwerre man, same way I am an unrepentant Okwane man. So many unrepentant Enuane people are there. They identify as Igbos, even with their separate identity. That separate identity does not mean that they are separate people. That is just their regional identity. So that does not mean that we are not Igbo people. Stop using Ikwerre people to play politics, to deny say Ikwerre people are not Igbos. So Nyesom Wike, try to relax. If you like, carry trumpets, carry microphone, they shall say you are not Igbo. The entire country knows that you are Igbo. When the white people documented our history, they said Western Igbos, that is the Nyesom people, Eastern Igbos, Northern Igbos, and Southern Igbos. Who are the Southern Igbos? Ikwerre people. They wrote it as Ikwerre Igbo. So all these things that you are saying, you just they do anyhow. If Igbo people see all this where Ikwerre people they do now, all this where Nyesom Wike videos, they go be like, these people are Igbos. The history there, look at it, they are Igbos. They will just be like, I beg leave Nyesom Wike made a talk. He don't know what he's saying. He don't know his history. The white people know the history of Ikwerre, how they migrated, how they settled there. Everything is documented. So why today so many of them are saying that they are not Igbo people, they are not Igbo people, and they still speak the Igbo language? Their culture and tradition is Igbo. Nothing be like similarities. Nobody where they get similarities where we say they not be one people. Ukwana people have similarities with the entire Igbo race. Same thing with Ikwerre, same thing with Ika. All part of Igbo land have 100% similarities. We are one people. It don't be like to the talk say, Yoruba people get similarities with the Igbo race. How? We don't have any similarities. So they are not Igbo, they are separate people from us. It don't be like Calabar people have similarities with the Igbo race. In Italy, we know they do the same thing, we don't get the same language, we don't get the same culture and tradition. So we are separate people entirely. Saying that Ikwerre people have the same things in common with the Igbo race, but they are not Igbos, is a lie. Stop to justify your lie, Nyesom Wike. You know be small picking again. You are a matured man. Try to reason like matured man. Ikwerre people are Igbos because their culture, tradition, migration history, everything proves to the world that they are Igbo people. You don't feel deceive Igbo way write down your history, and you cannot deceive us. Igbo bofu, and nobody can divide us. The same way you are an unrepentant Ikwerre man, is the same way I'm an unrepentant Ukwane man. I ain't chabundi Igbo. Okay? Igbo bofu, and nobody at all can divide us. Ishie gwale.